Hey guys, what's up? Today I've got I'm gonna have hopefully not a crappy video. I've got my cell phone today. I didn't bring my GoPro at all. I didn't plan on doing any towing today. One of the other guys in the shop were whining just a little bit about not getting some tows, so I've been taking a back seat to them. It is what it is. So I'm gonna set my phone down here. People are out here looking at me, so I don't want them to get too goofy. But we got some lady walking over to me here. How you doing?
Hi. Do you want some cars to move so you can get them?
Nope, I'll get it.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Thanks. I appreciate you asking. So yeah, guys, we're gonna hook this Subaru here. It doesn't start. Probably just needs a starter. Not a big deal. So we'll get it hooked. Get this baby wound up. People waiting to pull in this parking lot. It's pretty small. Take my phone out with me. That's that, guys. I accidentally shut my camera off. It's all loaded. It is cold. I think it's like 20 degrees out here right now. Don't normally do this one-handed with a lever, but it works. Took me a minute to get the winch freed up. It was frozen. The cable was froze, so I had to just pull the cable and just let the winch out. I grabbed the wireless remote and just let the winch out, and I just pulled it along. But we got it done. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.